Hi YouTube, it's Eni, aka the Not Trader, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so back with another pick of the week. It's June the 17th, 2018. Back at it again. Let's take a look at last week's pick of the week first. So last week's pick of the week. Okay, another pick of the week. It's January, not January, what am I talking about? June 17th, 2018, 10 PM. And I'm choosing my pick of the week. Last week's pick of the week was Pfizer, which I entered. I entered that a little bit later than I should have, or a little bit at a lower price. I was initially trying to enter at 3,700, but it never hit that mark. But I ended up entering about 3,630. So this is going to be quite a long-term trade because it's going to take a while for it to hit where I want it to hit. But I'm having second thoughts about this one because, as you can see, the MACD is looking like it's coming up, so it looks like it's going to turn upwards, and yeah, and the RSI is doing the same, it's turning upwards. So I don't know, I'm not sure about this trade right now, but and also if you can see the 180-day simple moving average, it's below it and it looks like it's creeping up. If you go to the daily chart, I'm gonna hold my position anyway, but I'm guessing it's gonna go up for quite a bit this week before it ends up going down. But I'm gonna hold my position. Hopefully, it will hit my limit at 3,504. But Pfizer, so far, I'm £1.50 up in Pfizer, so I'm rich. Yeah, so that's my position in Pfizer. I've also bought position in Cisco and Tapestry. I'll go into those in a second. As you can see, my stock watch list, as per usual, I've picked 4 stocks to earmark as potential ones to enter. I've got Tapestry, which I've actually already bought, so I've kind of cheated here. I've already bought Tapestry, and you got Pfizer, which I'm already in. That's open. I've made it grey because it's my pick of the week. As you can see here, grey ones. Oh, what have I done? The grey ones are your pick of the week. So. And URE, if you remember URE was our very first pick of the week. The very first week I did, if you trace back in my first video, that was my first pick of the week. I've seen it as a prime position to short, and so is Vail. So there's 3 shorts right here, so it looks like it's going to be a red week maybe for me. Not in terms of profit and loss, but in terms of I might have to short. So I want to go into Tapestry first. Tapestry first. Why did I choose Tapestry? I bought Tapestry, and if you look at it straight away, the pattern is pretty obvious. It's upward trending pattern. It hit the support at about 4,300, and it's on an upward pattern. If you look at the 30-minute chart here, it's been creeping up, and then it's broken, but it stayed along this support line of 4,520. And it started to creep back up again. Hopefully it breaks through here and then it bounces off the support of 4,640 and it keeps shooting up. So what I expect it to do here is I expect it to break here, bounce, and then carry on going up. Yeah, the RSI and the MACD all shows upward momentum, and if you can see the 180-day simple moving average, this orange line here, it's what I like is to see it act as a support, but previously in this chart, it hasn't really mattered, the 180 SMA, but it's just something to think about. Now I'm going to get my ruler tool. You know, ruler is my favorite tool, and I'm going to show that you could make up to about 30% or 1,266 point movement in 3 months. So I'm gonna be holding this for a while because it takes a while for it to really hit its peak. If you look here as well, it took about 4 months. So I could be holding this for July, August, September, to about September, October. But if I hold it, I should make about a thousand point move. So yeah, even though I've only bought 0.5, 1,000 point move, that's 500 quid. So that's a decent amount. It'll take a while, but I'm willing to wait for this one because I feel like it's gonna do the job. Next one is URE. Actually, before I go to URE, I'm in Cisco already. I want to tell you why I'm in Cisco. Cisco, once again, you can see ascending triangle. You know I love my ascending triangles. Hit the support, bounce off the support again. Made the mistake of entering, not mistake, but I could have entered a little bit lower down. As you can see here, it was really close to the support, so I could have entered about maybe 50 points a bit lower than I entered, but still, I'm in profit. I'm up £7, a whole £7 I'm up. But this week I really hope to see this push up and then at least hit about 4,600. So I've set my stop loss just short of that, just below that. So it's just a small profit. If it breaks through, it breaks through. But I'm not going to be greedy. Once it hits this line, I'm going to make my money and exit. So yeah, I'm just holding on to this. This should take. Don't know how long it should take. It should take maybe 2 weeks. Maybe 2 weeks maximum. I reckon 2 weeks to really hit the point that it needs to hit. So that's why I'm in Cisco. Now, URE, 70%. I got 70% confidence in this chart. What's just happened there? I'll tell you why I got 70% confidence in this chart. This is one we bought on the way up, and now we're gonna buy on the way. We're gonna short on the way down because it's still following the same pattern. So URE, straight away you can see the pattern. Rode it on the. Remember, we bought this, so we rode it all the way up. We didn't ride it all the way to the top. I got a bit scared and I exited a bit early. Something I need to work on, but I could have rode it all the way to the top for a nice sizable profit. Now it's working its way back down. As you can see here, it's done what exactly I need it to do, where it's broken the 15-day SMA and then it's bounced back and consolidated against it, and now it's still going back down again. So this is something you really want to see. You want it to, whenever a chart is, whenever a price action is moving up or down, like up here, you want it to cross the 15-day SMA, then bounce back off of it. That's when you know it's really going to follow this pattern and carry on moving, because it might be a false flag and it might just bounce all the way back down. So this one's broken it, gone back up, and now it's going to creep down again. So you can short this for quite a good gain. Let's say it takes a while. You don't know how long it's going to take. Let's say it's going to take 18 days. That's 274 points. That's pretty good. 260, 250 points movement. So yeah, that's one to short. I'm not going to short it right now because I'm in 3 positions, but if one of these positions for any reason I might exit, then I might enter that one. But that's one that I'm really interested in. The only thing that's stopping me from entering this trade, the only reason why I gave it 70% in my confidence is because of this. Let me show you. On the daily chart, here, what have I done? On the daily chart here, look at this. This is the 180-day moving average, simple moving average. It acted as a resistance here, but right now it's acting as a support here. So this is a bit of a cause for concern, because I don't want this the price action to bounce off of the SMA and then shoot up again. But there's a chance it could happen. So when it decides to break the SMA, then I'll know for sure that it's still going to go downwards. Well, not for sure, but I'll be way more confident. That confidence percentage can go from about 70 to about 85 once it breaks the 100-day SMA. So that's just something to look out for if you do want to short this. Just be wary that it could hit about 6,080 and then shoot up. So what is going on? Okay, now Veil's one that I earmarked to short a couple days ago, but I just didn't take any action, and I'm kind of kicking myself. Don't know why I didn't take any action, but I'm going to short it on the 4-hour chart. and I'll show you why. What have I done? Okay, veil. This is a straight normal ascending pattern, but I saw here, this was about last week, I saw that it was trying to break the 15-day SMA, but it was failing to do so. And when it did that for 4 candlesticks in a row, I knew, okay, this is not going to break it, it's going to go down now. So when I saw this, I knew it was going to go down. Started going down as I expected. I could have bought it, shorted it here for about let's say let's just 80-point move. Don't know why I didn't. I think it's because I was in too many positions as it was, and I didn't want to overexpose myself. So and as you can see here on the 30 minute chart, it does exactly what I want. As I said, it broke the let's see, so it broke the 15-day SMA here, bounced off it, bounced off it, bounced off it, went down, hit it, and then carried on going down. So right now it's hit it and it looks like it's going to go down again based on the MACD and the RSI. So this one, I feel this, let's expand this. So I feel here's one support, here's another support, here's another support, previous supports. It's broken one. I think it will go to here before it might turn back up, or it might carry on breaking it again. So these are 2 supports that I feel that it will reach. Whether it will reach that one, I do not know, but it'll probably reach this one. So if you're a very conservative trader, I would short it where it is upon the market open. Let it ride down to about 1,240, then exit. If you want to make a decent amount of profit. Just from here to here is about, what's that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 80 points. Not bad. A couple days work. So that would be my analysis of that one. And I put that here. So I've said set the stop loss at 1340. So set the stop loss just above here, and then set the limit here. So yeah, those are my 4. Well, I'm already in Pfizer, so you can ignore that one. Those are my picks of the week. Those are my 4 picks. Tapestry is more of a long-term hold, so this one's going to be running for quite a while. My pick of the week would probably have to be Veil if I'm being really conservative. Buy upon market. It's a quick one. You get in, you get out. And the risk to reward is 2.6, and I'm 80% sure. So yeah, my pick of the week, Veil, SA South Africa. I don't know what the SA stands for, but yeah, pick of the week is Veil.